Good morning, friends. As we expected, based on the SGX Nifty, Singapore Nifty, market opened at flat only. So we just wait for some time, around 15 minutes, to take any positions. But still, market is in sideways. So in the bank Nifty and all. So we are planning to execute trades in equities as we get good exposure in Asta trade. So we are planning to take a trade in escorts. Let us see how it will move as it is rejected from the median band. So I am just waiting to give some proper signal. I'm placing trade. I just placed it now. Escorts actually it is. Oh, it's an indigo. Sorry. When we change the platform, we should be very careful because these kind of things I have faced before. I usually trade with Zerodha or some other brokers like Allies Blue. This platform is totally different from those. It's a perfect sideways market. I believe it will go up as it is rejected from the middle band. Uh, I want to draw the trend lines. Let's see how it will behave. As it moved from the top band, by default it already hits the medial band. So our target is already completed. It's not coming below the middle band. So I believe it's already confirmed that it will go up. Let's see how it will move. I think it's time to profit. Yeah, it's rejecting again. So far we have seen 250 plus profit. Let me come out of this trade. Okay, it will come down for sure. I think it's a good time to come out. Let me place an order. It's a trend line. Yes, it's confirmed. Okay, I closed this with 62 rupees profit. Uh, so I want to take chance. If it move further, then I will take the buy in this same script. Yes, it's time to move. It's a kind of scalping, but with proper technical analysis and proper information, proper confirmation. Yes, our trade is executed and now it's coming down. This is where so many beginners used to lose money. Instead of having good knowledge and a good understanding about the markets, they will come out of the trade prematurely without seeing any profits. But as we work with the markets, as we see the charts daily basis, then we can understand how it will move. If we are good enough with technical analysis and tools, whichever strategy you follow, every strategy will work. But the point is timing. Everywhere timing is a very keen part, either in life or career or trading also. Yes, it's good. Yeah, we booked the profit around 562. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you enjoy in today's trading. Thank you very much.